Well, hey there, y'all, and welcome back to Bok Bok the Chicken Show. It's a cloudy day around here, and we got ourselves a storm coming in. So before the snow starts falling, I'm letting the girls out to stretch their legs a bit. Ain't nothing like a little bit of free time for the hens before the weather turns cold and mean. Gotta make sure they get their pecking in while they can. Y'all sit tight and watch them enjoy the last bit of sunshine before the storm rolls in. Now, if you enjoy watching the girls do their thing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more backyard fun. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Bok Bok the Chicken Show. Today it is a very cloudy. It's 31 degrees outside, but it is super cloudy, and the wind is blowing, and that storm that we're all supposed to get is coming through, I believe. I'm gonna feed them breakfast, but we're gonna leave them inside today. So if I can. Are you enjoying your breakfast again, girls? Everyone needs a chance to eat, girls. You have to share. There's lots of food there for you. Girls, I told you I would come back and let you out. Yes. How about that? Oh. Is it everyone? It is. No one's laying an egg today, huh? Well, let's go look. I gotta look for your dish anyway, because y'all lost it. We lost your dish, girls. Let's come in here and see if we have any eggs. We do have one egg already this morning. Okay, we'll leave that egg in there. Oh my goodness, they're starting to dig down. You can see the bricks again. They must be looking for some food or something. There's plenty of food in here. They just don't pull it forward. Okay. Here's one dish. Now I need to find the other one. Let's see here. I'm not finding it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Found it. What? Hi. It's supposed to snow today, girls. Yes, in a couple of hours. So, y'all enjoy the outside while you can, okay, girls? Yes, enjoy your outside time while you can. Marble, let's not eat that paper, okay, girl? No, no, no. No. No, no, no. Here, no. Let's not eat that, okay? Yeah, that's just something garbage in the yard, okay, girl? We constantly have garbage in the yard. Okay. Well, I didn't know you were over there, girl. Oh, there you are. Okay, everyone's here now. There's a crow. There's a crow right there. Maybe he's warning people that I'm out, or other birds that I'm outside. He's big. Okay, are you coming? They're so funny. They have to use the little gate. Girls, you found water under there? That's so dirty, though. Ugh. That's so nice that y'all take turns, though, isn't it? Yes, you're sharing. See, there's water in there for the plants. That's where you... And they are drinking it. Yuck. Well, hi there. I think they're getting ready to go in because they have not laid their eggs yet today. And all three of those look like they're laying, according to the red on the top of the comb. And it's still pretty early. It wasn't even 10 o'clock yet, or right at 10 o'clock. It just looks like it's nighttime because there's no sun out today. Girls, do you want to come over here with your sisters? Or are you still thirsty? Okay. Are you getting some nice grit, ladies? You like this area, huh? Does that keep your nails trimmed too? I don't know if that's a thing on chickens. These three are sticking together a lot more. Two point oh, you sound like a dog. Marble. Okay. Hi there. Hi there, Tweety. What are you doing, girl? Well, that's it for today, folks. The storm's rolling in and the girls are getting ready for a cozy night inside. Hope y'all enjoy watching them roam free before the snow hits. Thanks for spending some quality time with us here on Bok Bok the Chicken Show. If you liked what you saw, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more chicken adventures. We'll be back next time, hopefully with sunnier skies and more backyard fun. Take care, and as always, keep those clucks coming. See you later. Have a blessed day from Bok Bok the Chicken Show.